Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video on this look right here. It was inspired by the Punk Goes Pop album artwork. It is a little bit different color-wise. I still really like it though, and if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching. Hi. Hello. I'm actually filming in my new setup right now, and I need to tweak some things real quick. Okay, so to start with this look, oh fuck, I don't even have any sponges. Be right back. Hi, so we're off to a really great start today. I actually already had filmed this like for an hour and then did a step that I really fucking hated. And then I just realized that I haven't been filming for the last 15 seconds? 15 seconds, more like 5 minutes. Anyway, what I did so far is I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. This is lighter than my light neutral, obviously. I did that because I wanted more of a pop on my eyes. And then other than that, I've literally just been going in with my Urban Decay Petite Heat Palette and using Wild Thing all over so far. I have not done any other steps. I'm just really fucking out of it, guys. This is my first time back filming a tutorial and I don't know how long. So I'm using an M433. Yeah, M433 brush to just start this as my transition shade. And we are being very messy because we're doing a halo spotlight eye today. God, I feel like such an idiot doing that. I literally looked down and I was like, it's not even filming. It's been not even a long day. Probably because I'm flustered that I fucked up the first time. But you know what? It happens. And I'm still filming it for you guys. Refilming it, kind of. Whatever. But I guess you not seeing me prime my eyes isn't anything new. So, but hello, I'm back. Next color I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go in with Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This orange shade right here. I am really fucking clumsy with this palette, guys. Like, maybe all palettes in general. But I have dug my nail into so many of these colors by just like picking it up. And I'm just gonna brush over the edges up top here, like very, very lightly, but enough that it's going to blend them out. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. This is the first video you're watching. Sorry, I'm a hot fucking mess. Okay, now that that's over, I'm going to go in with Hunts here. This fiery red, orangey red, and then I'll take Jack's right here after that. And I'm gonna use it on my same M433 brush. Honestly, I don't think I do these spotlight eyes very well. Need to watch like some more tutorials on it, but you know what, guys, I do my best. What brush do I want to use? I'm gonna go in with Jack's now, a little bit lower. I do really like this color, it's really pretty. And this is an Morphe R42 brush that I'm using to just pack it on here pretty much. And then I'll go back in with my M443 and blend everything out. And that's what a lot of this look is going to be, especially since I've done this 1.5 times now. It's a lot of back and forth, going back and forth and blending. Oh, my body hurts. My body hurts. My eyes probably like, fuck you. We are tired of blending, shall we? Before I go any farther with colors, I'm going to cut my crease or just clean up this lid space pretty much. Guys, I've got like really not taut eyelids. Like, I do not do cut creases easily. Okay, great. This is really blocky as hell, but we're gonna make it work. All right, now that this is cut, I'm gonna go in with Wild Thing again, the orange shade we were starting off with. And I'm going to just fade these into the concealer that's already there. And I'm doing this with my Morphe R41 brush. It's just like a pencil, a typical pencil brush. All right, then I'll take Hunt's, that red, brick red shade from the Morphe palette, Jaclyn Hill palette. Just try to get this gradient working. And then I'll take Jack's again. But then I'm gonna take, I think this is Beam, in light, putting my nails and shit. I'm gonna take in Light from the Jaclyn Hill palette and pop this in the center where that concealer is. Okay, so I just popped Creamsicle in the crease one more time, and then, or I'm sorry, on the upper brow bone area to kind of blend everything out, and I'm just doing that as well underneath here, just trying to get everything nice and blended. So, last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with Strike from the Urban Decay palette here, and I'm going to carve out this crease area up top. So then I'm going to take it also, this, what was this? An M432 was this little flat definer brush that I used. And I'm going to go back in with my R41 and blend this out this way. And then also bring it down into my inner corner. Wow, okay. I'm actually taking Beam now and putting this over top of Light because it was a little too white for me. Need some more yellow in there. So this is the part where I added black over top of the purple, which was not a good idea. But the black I am going to put on is going to be my liquid eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing, I'm just lining the bottom part of my eye so that when I put my lashes on, it's still okay. Okay, that's that. All right, I'm gonna move on to my face now. I'm gonna prime my skin with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. This stuff I've hit pan, but I still have a good amount of it left. So, and you really don't need a lot for your whole face, if you ask me. And I think I've had this for like a couple months now. So I'm just going to massage this into my skin, and I'm gonna zoom you out actually. Okay, get a little bit from my forehead. And I've been loving this. You could wear this on your skin just as is. It does protect from pollution, but I always wear it underneath my foundation because it also acts as a protectant from makeup. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, what is this? Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. Don't know what I'm saying. And I take one pump of this and I put this mostly like forehead, T-zone, and then I rub it out. There's a very familiar scent about this primer that I'm not able to put my finger on. I really don't know what it is. Okay, so now that I have two of my primers down, I'm going to go in with the DiorSkin Forever Foundation. This is the one that Jaclyn Hill was raving about. My best friend uses it. She loves this. I wore this at Warped Tour and it did not move from my face. So I'm going to be using this today, and I am going to just take my beauty blender, do a pump or two, and then pounce this into my skin. So far, I do like this foundation. I think it's like my smile lines where it settles that gets me. I hate that about my face, that I have really deep smile lines. Okay, so because I am crunched for time, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera, but just before I go, I will let you know I did change up how I'm doing my brows. I'm trying new things, guys. I am going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and this is in the shade 4, I believe. Yeah, 4. And then I have the Benefit Gimme Brow in 4.5. So these are two new brow products I'm using, and I still use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So I will be right back, and I will show you guys the finished look. Okay? Hold tight. Alright, so this completes this look right here. This was inspired by the Pop Goes Punk, Punk Goes Pop album volume 6 album art, which honestly, it's a little bit more on the pinker purple side, I guess, rather than like that lighting. But hey, I tried. Whatever. I still think it came out really, really great, especially since I had to do it over one time. But anyway, I have to go get dinner with my brother and my grandma because they're already at the restaurant, and we said 5:15. It is 5:06. You are all early. I am not late. Anyway, if you did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, family, Twitter, Pinterest, whatever you'd like, whomever you'd like. I would really appreciate it. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Close enough.